Good morning friends, my name is Santosh. So, I am going to explain very nice topic, singular and plural. Lots of times you are confused what is mean by singular and what is mean by plural. Means earlier I have already told you about articles. So when we were studying about article, that time we think don't use article in the plural form. So in today's lecture I am going to explain what is mean by singular and what is mean by plural. This is very nice topic and it's very simple topic. If you are listen my lecture very carefully, definitely you will understand what exactly meaning of singular and what exactly meaning of plural. Means if you want to convert singular into plural, definitely you have lots of idea how to convert singular into plural. So ignore that part, come to our point. Our point said that if we know singular, then how to convert plural. But before that, we must know one thing. That thing means what is mean singular and what is meaning of plural. So singular means only one thing and plural means two or more than two. Remember, singular means only one thing and plural means two or more than two. So when we think about the singular and plural, if we want to convert singular into plural, that time we know some rules and regulation. That rules and regulation, it's very simple if you are listening my video very carefully. So if you like my video, press the like button and subscribe my channel. But before that, if you are watching my video very carefully, definitely you will like my video. So first of all, if you want to convert singular into plural, generally we use S. Such as student, students, buses. Remember, there are different things. Means generally we use S. Door, doors. Fan, mobile. That is our first rule. Means if you want to convert singular thing into plural thing, there are first rule. That rule means add only S. Such as book, books, mobile, fans, like etc. That is our first rule. Then second rule, if word end with O, CH, SH, X or S, don't forget. If word end with O, CH, SH, X or S, then use only ES. Remember, that is the second rule. What is second rule? If word end with O, CH, SH or X, then you mostly use ES, such as mango, mangoes, bus, buses, fish, fishes, watch, watches, box, boxes, ox, oxes. Remember, that is our second rule. What is our second rule? If word end with O, CH, SH, X or S, then generally we use only ES. So first rule, add only S. Second rule, use ES. Then our third rule. Third rule is if word end with Y. Remember, here is the Y, here is also Y, but here we use only S, but here we use IES. What is the difference between two words? What is the difference between two words? There is the simple difference. Means if word end with Y, but before Y there is any vowel. So in English there are 5 vowels. Means A, E, I, O, U. If before Y there is any vowels, then use only S, because here is the O and O is our vowel. So that's why boy, boys. But if before Y there are no any vowels, that time you delete y. Remember, if before y there is no any vowels, in English there are 5 vowels: a, e, I, o, u. If there is a no vowels, that time you delete y and use ies, such as lady, ladies, baby, babies. Then if word end with y but before y there are any vowels, that time use only s. Boy, boys, toy, toys. Then if word end with f or fe, don't forget f or fe, but before f or fe there are any 2 vowels. Here are 2 vowels, but here is only 1 vowel. So if there are 2 vowels, that time use only f, but if there is a no 2 vowels, then delete f or fe, use ves, such as wife, views, life, lives. Then roof, roofs. What is the difference? If word end with f or fe, but before f or fe there are any 2 vowels, that time you mostly use only s. Roof, roof. Means if you want to convert singular into plural, that time you mostly know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 rules, because singular and plural it's must. Lots of time when we are going to outside, that time we see lots of things. Sometimes we see one thing, sometimes we see lots of things. So what is the difference between singular and plural? There is only little difference. Generally we add only s. Second thing, if word end with o, ch, sh, x or s, then use es. If word end with y, before y there are any vowel, that time use only s, but if there is a no vowels, that time delete y, use ies. Then if word end with f or fe, but before f or fe there are 2 vowels, that time delete f or f. If there is the 1 vowel, that time delete f or fe, use ves. And last one, if there is a 2 vowel, that time use only s. Then second thing, there are some exception. Exception means that word, that thing is not applicable when you convert singular into plural, such as tooth, teeth, sheep, sheep, mouse, mice, man, men, woman, women. Means these are a different word. In that word no any rules and regulation is applied. I hope you understand very well. If you like my video, press the like button, subscribe my channels. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.